Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use SQL connection object and how to create SQL connection with database. So we have created one form in which we are retrieving fields information of customer, and we have created one button to create connection. So double click on the button and generate click event of button. Now, to create a connection with SQL database, we need APIs. So write using system.data.sql client. This is the API or engine which is used to interact with database. And write one more API to access web config file, which is system.web.configuration. Now, to access any database, we need connection string, means where is your database located. We can retrieve connection string using two ways: by viewing property of database and seeing connection string property, and other way is the connection string is located in web.config.file. So this is the connection string and it is written in XML format, and the connection string name is given to connection string, which is con, mean connection. So in this example we will access the connection string from web.config file. So we have included this API, which is web.configuration. Now to create SQL connection object is used to, so write SQL connection object name, I am writing cn, after that is equal to, write new operator and SQL connection. In SQL connection we have to pass a parameter which is the connection string. So I am writing web configuration manager dot connection string. In bracket I have to pass connection string name, which is our con, and dot to string, which is used to convert to string. Now we have created connection object. Now to open the connection, cn.open method is used to open the connection. Now I want to check that connection is opened or not, and I want to display a message in label that if connection is open, then it will print connection is open. So I have opened the connection. Now I want to check the state of connection. So to check the state I am using if else condition. So checking cn dot state is equal to connection state dot open, then I am printing lbl message dot text is equal to connection open successfully, else I am printing lbl message connection is not open. Now let's run and check the output. We are clicking on the create connection button. We can see connection open successfully. So we have successfully connected to database. Now make changes to this connection string argument. I am writing wrong connection string and run the database. Click on the create connection. We can see we are finding an error. So if connection is not created or wrong connection string is passed, then it will generate error. So we have to write this code in try catch block so we can find an error. So this is about how to create connection and how to open the connection in our website application. So this is about opening and creating connection. Thank you.